Okay, so I've run this simulator for about 10 minutes. It finally worked. Holy. Okay, so today I want to train an AI to play my game called Lucky Rush, and I'm using Godot 4.3. And if you don't know what this game is, you probably notice the dinosaur here. But I mean, there's still a little bit thing different, like you can board yourself, and you have gun, and there is a thunder. Yeah, and when we talk about Godot, when it comes to machine learning, I can say Godot engine sucks. At least for me, because when you try to find tutorial in YouTube, this is probably the tutorial you may find.
Today we will train this cube agent to go to the target.
Hello. If you don't know what is the neural network is a system that you can create a library to. So I'm not going to explain in depth.
Welcome to the part 6 of...
Wow. But like Albert Einstein used to say, if it is hard to make it work, just work harder, man. So first, I create a to-do list and show what I'm gonna to do. Then I duplicate my project and rename it as AI. But before that, I want to give the AI a name. So bro, give me a cute and simple name. And we have Dino, Tiny. We have Waffle, Y, more 50. And now we have Nugget. So I name it as Jack. Yeah. So when it comes to machine learning, we need Python. Then I go to asset library and install a plugin called Python for Godot. And after install this plugin, and now we can create a Python file. And we can now print anything we want, like hello world, and it should work fine, baby. Then you are wrong. I don't know why it just don't work. Okay, the second way.
Hello. If you don't know what is the neural network is a system.
You can do a lot of creative stuff around like your C++ compiling or something. I don't know what am I doing, and it also don't work. Yeah, so the final solution is this tutorial.
Today we will train this cube agent.
Can you imagine I watched this tutorial for about 10 to 20 times, but this tutorial works. So basically, you need to follow this tutorial step by step. And remember, this video is not a tutorial. Maybe I will create a full tutorial about it after this video. Okay, so here is a simple way to understand. Here is our game, and every time I run the game, I run also a Python script. So who is gonna to control the AI in the game? Well, it's the Python script. The Python script will control the game every frame. And then the game will also send the stat back to the Python. So after training, Python will also save the model as a file. Yeah, that is a file. This is just for simple understanding. So after follow the tutorial, I have an AI controller node, and I think the AI should be able to move now. Nothing happened. Alright, after a whole day suffering, there is two types of action behind it, whether it is discrete or continuous. But what the fuck is it? Continuous action gives you a random float between -1 or 1, and then I assign the value to velocity. Whether negative x mean move to left and positive x mean move to right. But as you can see, I'm be able to move, but the movement is try to adjust something. Why? Okay, next, I want the AI to be able to jump, but jump is different from move just now because jump is whether jump or not, which is discrete action, whether 1 or 0. 1 mean jump, 0 mean don't jump. Simple. So I create a discrete action and make a jump function, and Jack should be able to move and jump now. I mean neither. Haha, after some time crazy programming, the AI can jump now. Kind of, somehow, please. Well, try to use a signal. What the fuck? I haven't created any gravity to the game. Okay, I use a variable to control the action, and yeah, Jack actually managed to move now. What are you seeing here is Jack moving, not me. Completely AI. Do you know how excited am I when I see the AI finally can move? Because I fucking spent 3 days. And until now, the AI is just doing random move. You can imagine Jack now is blind. He cannot see anything. So he is not gonna to improve over time, which is not the case of machine learning. We can call it machine unlearning. Okay, whatever. To let the AI be able to see something, we need to modify this getOBS function, and OBS stands for observation. Maybe? I don't know. Then I let Jack be able to see its own position and health. And when I say see, it's not like you as a human see all the screen like this. So easy. What Jack actually see is kind of like this thing. Yeah, it's not easy to be Jack. And also one more thing is the reward. Because in this case, Jack don't know whether his action is good or bad. Very simple. Because in my game, I have score. And I should maximize the score. And if Jack die, I minus the reward like crazy. And actually, we are done. Because now it's just a matter of time for training. So I finally can take a break. And now I just need to wait for like 1 hour or 1 day. then you are wrong again because there's so many bugs. Haha, I like my life. Okay, a pro tip in machine learning is you create a new scene and attach the main scene of your game just now and duplicate a lot of time. For example, in this case, I duplicate 5 times and also attach a sync node and play. But I don't know why, it just don't work with my games. Why? Okay, never mind. So my solution is speed up. Like crazy. 139 times faster. Best. And I finally can take a break. Okay, I trained in about 15 minutes only. And you can see now Jack is be able to play the game well and well. So I export Jack as a model.onnx file. You can imagine like the brand of Jack. But you need to make sure you move the model.onnx file to your Godot file directory. And you just go to the onnx path and write your model name and play. Which I'm just fucking lying because it just don't work. So next video, brain surgery. So smash this subscribe button if you want to see Jack suffer more. What the freak are you doing?